Hey there, my friend. Have you had a chance to check out my course, Sketch Extravaganza? In this course, I have produced 10 beautiful black and white value sketches. I take you through them step by step. You get all the directions. I tell you what value I'm using. Depending on which brand, I give you the numbers. You get all the images, and you are ready to sketch. So let me show you just a little sneak peek into the course. Just give myself the line, a little bit of shadowing, same number 6. I am using the number 3, a little bit lighter value, helps build some distance. All right, I'm going to do a real light touch of number 1 in the blue part of the sky. Going to use a little micron just for some very fine detail up front. Your drawing doesn't have to have it, but I kind of enjoy using these microns and adding just the slightest little bit of detail. So I have my image, and my image is gridded off, and I have gridded off ever so very, very lightly this square that is a 3x4, the 80%, and just shape these trees. Remember, it's just to get an idea. I love what happens out there at the canyon. This beautiful misty blue that takes on and then there's another tree right down here, but I had gotten this stand here. It kept them accessible, and I could keep them in order: 20, 40, 60, 80 blacks, a warm black, and then a cool black. And I just liked that because it made my drawing time faster. This encourages you and inspires you to get back to the drawing board and do these small sketches. All right, my friend. So that's a sneak peek of just a couple of them that are in the course. I hope to see you in the course. I do believe you're going to find it valuable. You're going to learn a lot, and you're going to end up with 10 very beautiful sketches.